Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So if you are a student or a employee or business owner, content creator, YouTuber, everything, this video for you. In this video I am discussing about the Canva. So don't skip this video, every point is very important in this video. So firstly like this video and subscribe my channel. So let's start the video. So what is Canva? Canva is a graphic designing tool that works in your mobile, any device like a PC, mobile. So you can create a thumbnails, posters, logos, banners, everything in this platform. You can create all. So also your resumes and also website you can create here. So and also you can create a videos without it's a drag and drop based. So no software, no complications. So I'm starting this video. Oh, so firstly like and comment what you want to next video. So and also subscribe my channel and also so I am opening the Canva in Chrome. So firstly open your Chrome browser or Safari. So search on there Canva. So this is the interface of the Canva. Firstly log in or sign up from there. Then the interface like this. Now continue. So this is the dashboard of the Canva. So there is the AI also available from this platform. You can see here YouTube thumbnail and also sheets. You can know the MS Excels and also Excel sheets, large data typing. Also the recently added the sheets from here. Also whiteboard, social media related, logos, photo editing, video editing, printing, website creation. So also the poster creation, logo creation, banner creation, thumbnail creation, etc., etc. Also everything from here. These are the recently what you make from here. Let's create a thumbnail for my YouTube. Let's starting I am. Now this is the next page. So loading present. So everyone please subscribe and like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel. So this is the total page of that. So firstly design open. There are a number of templates you can use that. Just click on there and replace the photo or text. Also backgrounds. I am selecting this thumbnail. So just click on there. So now I want to change the image. So I am replacing. Just to select the image. Now you can replace with another image. I am selecting my image. Now you can see here BG remover, that means background remover. If you upgrade to pro version, then the BG remover is available. Now that selected. Now I am decreasing the size. Set correctly. So now we wanted to change the text style. So now click on there, change the that I want to this text. I'm adding complete. Okay, now I want to change the font. So which font you want, just select there. Okay, so my thumbnail is created. Now you can see on the bottom there are brands. That means you can use the brand images. Now you can see there on the top exporting symbol. So firstly listen here, these are the elements. You can use number of elements, all available from here. Also the countries, everything from available from here. Subscribe buttons, also persons, thumbnail designing, elements, everything. So it is very important to elements. So number of things are available from here. Also the flags, cars, everything. If you upgrade to pro version, then you will take the templates for free. You can see here I am upgraded to a pro, so I have available that. So I want that, I am clicking. Now I am decreasing that and selected which place. So this is the text. You can use the number of text fonts and designs from here if you want directly. I don't want, if you like this, I don't want, I want to create one, just create a add text. These are the templates. These are the 4R pro, so you can't use. If you upgrade to pro, then you can use that. I am adding one thing. So I am added that. I am now position changing. Firstly I am changing my font. So I want this font. So you can see here header and footer. You can change the colors of the font and also text style. You can see here bold, italic, underline, left underline, central, right aligns available from here. We can give the space word to word like this. Now I am position adding. These are the effects: background shadow, border, like that. So these are the effects. If you want to make a video, then you can use the animation. Transistors, transactions, you can use like a blender, like that. So these are the layer. I want to keep that in background, so I'm keeping that background. Okay, set. Now you can see here exporting symbol there, top. So just click on there. You can see here, share the link to your friend, directly read, and also Microsoft available from here, and also quick sharing and also delivery. Just you click the download. Okay, now download that. So if you want to high quality, upgrade to pro. So I want high quality and downloading. Guys, comment which video do you want on the next, and also like this video and also subscribe my channel and share this channel to your friends. So design it completed. So now opening that. So this is my thumbnail of YouTube. So you can create anything like templates, thumbnails, logos, everything from here. You can search here. So I want a poster, so now I am typing on poster and search. You can search anything from here what do you want. So I want to thumbnails. So these are the live stream thumbnail you can use on gaming anywhere. So I want to shop opening poster. So these are the poster. Just click on what do you want, which one do you like. Just click on there and replace the images or text is layer. Directly you can export just to change your shop name on everything. Okay, just I want this. So coffee drink menu. So what do you want, what do you not want, just click on that and totally change the text or a font, also the image. Okay, so subscribe my YouTube channel and also like this video, share this video to your friends because it is very information and also it is very informational video, so please share. So final thing is Canva is very important to everyone, anyone. So now you know how to create the Canva thumbnails, posters, anything etc. logos also. So like this video and share this videos to your friends. So and also comment on there. So see you soon on the next video. Subscribe and like this.